So this is my new mouse for my computer, and this was a gift, but I chose this initially because of the capabilities of the wheel and the extra buttons on the side. I thought that would be real good use with my computer. But what I didn't know was that I have two computers and I could use both of them with one mouse. And so I'll show you, we'll sit at my computer and I'll show you how it switches in between. But it's super simple. You just hit this button. So you can be working, hit the button, switch to the next computer, switch back and forth. This has made my life so much easier. Okay, so this is my current setup. We're going to be using these two monitors. This computer is running by itself and this computer is running by itself. Now, the super capable thing that this mouse does is you can actually select through the USB dongle or two Bluetooth devices. So if I wanted to, I could Bluetooth to my tablet and my computer while using the USB dongle on this computer. But I'm just going to be using two, so I'm going to use this one and this one. And all I got to do is click this button to switch in between. So we're currently on this computer. So you can see, and the mouse, the wheel. The wheel makes it amazing. It just flies, like it's super smooth to roll with your finger. But you can see I'm using the mouse on that screen. Now all I do is hit this center button one time and you'll see it light up. It'll switch to Bluetooth and now it's going to be on this computer. So now I can work from either computer, whereas before I had to use this mouse and then the trackpad, so I had to reach way over here. Now now the easy thing to do is just hit this button and switch it back to this computer. And as you can see, we're scrolling here and then hit it again, switch back to this one. So it just goes back and forth. Super simple. This mouse has made work a lot easier. As far as Bluetooth, once you turn it on to the Bluetooth, it'll actually start syncing, looking for it, and then it'll sync up on whatever computer you want to run it on. But this mouse has just made a big difference in how I work during the day and how fast I can get things done.